Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. He said, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. I'm singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. 'Cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Don't worry, it's all gonna be alright.
Yeah, what she said.
It's all good. Oh, should we say, okay, I'm Morgan and, oh, sorry, Randy. This is Randy. This is
Quistis, our angel kitty.
the song cat. And we have decided to start collaborating on some future stuff, so
It's true.
it's true. Stay tuned. We love you.
Yes.
Also, this song was dedicated to my dad. He passed away on June 9th of 2021 from stage 4 melanoma, which had metastasized to his brain and other parts of his body, several different organs. And this was his favorite song. I feel like he would want you to know that, as said at his memorial, for those of you who were there and for those of you who weren't, just, it is going to be okay. If you have anything on your body that you're not sure of, it popped up, you're like, oh, maybe, it's nothing, just go to a dermatologist, because my dad went to the primary care physician 3 times and was misdiagnosed, and it could have been a different story. So check out his YouTube channel. It's called Sharkman in St. Louis, and he can still, from beyond, he's still helping people through that channel. So check it out. Get anything you're concerned about checked out. I know a lot of you already have, and yeah, just be near to those that you love and grateful, and try to just not take the little things for granted. We never know. So it's Father's Day today, by the way.
Yeah.
So happy Father's Day, Dad, and happy Father's Day to all of the fathers who are still here.
Happy
And
Father's Day to my dad.
Happy Father's Day to Randy's dad. Yeah. We love you all. Hope you stay tuned. And Quistis and Randy and I will be back
Yes.
for more videos soon.